Hi guys, it's Layla here from West Ham United Foundation. So here today to bring you another little workout. So I hope you're all well and managing to keep yourself active. So today guys, we're going to do a little swing dance style routine. Just standing up, just need a bit of space around you to go to the side and to go forward, so make sure you're not going to crash into anything. So this is meant to be fun. So yeah, make sure you've got trainers and comfortable clothing because you might get a little bit hot and sweaty. Okay, so just going to show you a couple of moves to start with. So the first one is called a mess around. So whenever you hear me say mess around, this is what it is. Legs a little bit wider than hip width. Always pull that tummy in nice and tight, arms out, and you're just going to do a big hip circle like this. Yeah? Just that's a mess around, okay? And the next little move is some fast kicks. So when you hear me say, get ready, fast kicks, this is what it looks like. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we turn and tap the foot, pump the arm up. And then you change other leg, 2, 3, 4, and turn in the other direction. Nice and easy. Now that's a little bit, that's high impact, so if you don't want to jump, you can simply do it like this, as a little heel dig, and then a tap on the spot. Yeah, and then turn, do the other side, and tap. Yeah, so choose what feels comfortable for you. I would say any joint issues, knee issues, anything like that, maybe just do the low impact version. All right, if you don't have anything like that, then come with me when we do the full high impact version. All right, so are you ready? You're going to get hot and sweaty with this one, guys, so get yourself ready. I will put the music on, and here we go. All right, marching it out, guys. Here we go. Tummy pulled in, back nice and straight. Heel digs coming up. 5, 6, here we go. We're going to clap hands and dig those heels forward. Good. 4 more. 3, 2. Now tap behind. Here we go. 4, 3. Get ready for that mess around. Here we go. Yeah. Swing it out. Do that again. Clap those hands. Reaching up with those arms. Nice and tall. Good. 4 more. Don't forget to breathe. Tap behind. Pull those arms back. Open up that chest. Give me that mess around here. Woo, yeah. Good. Get ready. Grapevine to the right. With a little knee. Roll those arms. Get ready for those fast kicks coming up. Here we go. We're going to kick. 2. Use those arms and pump it round. Again. And pump. If you don't want to jump, you can stay here and tap. Yeah. 1 more. And tap. 2 steps left, right. With a hip, with a click. Good, bend those knees. 1 more. Back to the top. Clap those hands. Reach it up. Yeah. Woo. Here we go. 4 more. 3, 2. Now tap behind. Let's go. Pull back. Yeah. Give me that mess around. Here we go. Woo, yeah. Get ready. Kick it out. We're going to kick. Woo, and come. Again. Use those arms and turn. Again, remember, keep it low here. 1 more. Yeah. 2 steps. Good, with a little click. Good, check those tummies are pulled in. 1 more. To the top, tap your hands, reach it up. Now, can you bend your knees a little bit more this time? 3, 2, tap behind for 4, 3, 2, mess around, here we go. Woo, yeah. Great vibe. With the knee. Roll those arms if you can with that knee. Get ready. We're going to stay here, march or run. Get ready for those kicks coming up. Are you ready? Are you ready? 5, 6, here we go. Give a kick. Yeah. And turn. Or keep it on the spot if you want. And turn. 2 more. Ooh, should be getting warm now. 1 more. And turn. 2 steps. Good. That's it. Come on. Bend those knees. 2 more. Last time back to the top. Clap those hands. Here we go. And breathe. Good. Ooh, you should be warm, guys. 2. Tap behind. Let's go. And pull back. 2. Staying with the mess arounds now. Again. Arms up. Woo, yeah. Well done. Good work. Excellent. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. Hope you feel a bit warm now I am. So well done, guys. Stay connected, stay active, stay healthy. I'll see you soon.